Hi, welcome to Gulfstream Inc. Today we are featuring the OneJet. It is 100% disposable, hygienic, and recyclable. First, you take your spa liner, open it up, and line your spa. Take the disposable OneJet and attach it to the motor. Once everything is secure, especially the OneJet, you can proceed as usual and start filling your spa with water. But remember to fill it up only above the OneJet just a little bit, to about right here. The most beautiful thing about the OneJet is everything is disposable. Once you have finished your spa treatment, just take the liner, wrap it up in one motion. Since everything is disposable, you can just throw everything away.